Good morning, children. Before we continue with our lesson, let us recapitulate the things we studied in the previous lecture. Look at this map, children. This is the world map, and these are the oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. We are going to talk about a spot which is in the Atlantic Ocean, and it lies to the east of the United States. It is the Bermuda Triangle, where many strange incidents have been taking place for years. Let me tell you, children, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean are the two largest oceans on the planet, and it covers half of the Earth's surface. What makes an ocean, children? Do you remember? In the previous video I have told you, many seas come together and form an ocean. Look at the map, children, and tell me which seas join the Atlantic Ocean? The Sargasso Sea and the Caribbean Sea. In the previous video, I had told you that all the seas are surrounded by land on three sides. But Sargasso Sea is the only sea which does not have any land boundary. On a map, the Bermuda Triangle can be marked out as a rough triangle stretching roughly from Miami to Puerto Rico, then to Bermuda and back to Miami. It makes a triangle, hence it is called as the Bermuda Triangle. You know, children, Miami is a city in the state of Florida. It's in US, in the United States. And Miami is very famous for its beautiful beaches. Bermuda is an island in the Atlantic Ocean. Puerto Rico is an island in the Caribbean Sea. You know, children, what's an island? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. Now, children, this Bermuda Triangle is also called a Devil's Triangle because many incidents have taken place which are unsolved till today. It is also called Hoodoo Sea. Hoodoo means something that brings in bad luck or is evil or has some evil magic. Why did people say this? People call it as a Devil's Triangle or a Hoodoo Sea because in the Bermuda Triangle, many planes have disappeared from the radar screen. You know what's a radar, children? Look at this picture. This is a radar. Radar means radio detecting and ranging device. It is a system, or you can call it as an instrument of finding out where planes, ships are and in what direction they are moving. Even ships were found without crew. Crew means the people working on a ship or plane. Many boats and aircrafts have gone missing. And all these mysteries are unsolved till today. We have come to know about this triangle because many pilots have left recordings saying that they have seen a UFO. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a UFO. UFO means unidentified flying object. Children, U stands for unidentified, F stands for flying, and O stands for object. Did you understand? Abdullah, Sneha, Vedant, are you all paying attention? I'm going to ask you questions in the Zoom meeting. So all of you watch the video carefully. Now children, people also say that the sea and the sky gets covered with a strange fog. The compasses go out of control and the unidentified objects are sighted. They can see the unidentified objects there. These were the things which we discussed in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss a few more incidents that took place in the Bermuda Triangle. Look at this picture, children. This is Flight 19. In the year 1952, a journalist named George Sand wrote an article about Flight 19 and some other incidents in the October magazine called Fate. Fate is the name of a magazine. He described the area as a watery triangle surrounded roughly by Florida, Bermuda and Puerto Rico. Flight 19 is one of a famous incident in the history of the Bermuda Triangle. Flight 19 was a group of 5 Navy aircrafts. These are the Navy aeroplanes, and they disappeared over the Bermuda Triangle on 5th of December 1945. They lost the contact with the US Navy. They were doing some training and all of a sudden these planes disappeared. Nor the flight or the wreckages were found. Wreckage means the broken pieces of flight or ship. No evidence have found of any plane or ship in this Bermuda Triangle. Evidence means proof. The next incident happened on 3rd of February 1963. This is a ship and its name is SS Marine Sulphur Queen. It disappeared off the coast of Florida. Neither the ship nor her 39 crew members were found. Crew means people who work on the ship or on the plane. These are a few incidents that took place in the Bermuda Triangle, and they are all unsolved. Nobody knows the reason behind it. Many search and rescue attempts have been made by the Coast Guards. You know who is a Coast Guard, children? Coast Guards are guards who protect the country from enemies. Like how we have army on the border, the same way there are Coast Guards who protect the sea coast. These guards tried many search and rescue attempts. Rescue means getting someone out of danger. But nobody could be saved or could tell the reason behind these accidents. You know, children, the environment of Bermuda Triangle is hazardous. Hazardous means risky. It's not safe. The ocean has fast running current. Fast running current means the movement of sea water is very fast. It can carry away the wreckage far away from the crashed area. The US Coast Guard believes that harsh natural conditions, human mistakes, and mechanical failure are reasons for these accidents. This area experiences sudden storms and tornadoes. Look at this picture, children. Tornadoes means violent storms with strong winds which move in circle. Look at this picture, children. Yes, these strong winds move in circle. It makes a funnel shape. Have you seen a funnel at home, children? Mummy must be having a funnel at home. Yes, and when tornadoes come on the sea, it is called water spouts. Water spouts means the columns of water that are pulled from the sea. Tornadoes and water spouts can kill a person. Children, everyone had tried hard to know the reason behind these incidents. But nobody has got the final answer. Until today, hundreds of planes and countless boats have gone missing. Is it a coincidence? Coincidence means when something happens in the same place and cannot be explained, or is this a place being cursed by supernatural forces? Supernatural means past that cannot be explained, like magic. You cannot explain a magic. What's a magic? Nobody knows whether we'll be able to know the reasons behind these incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. Children, the chapter ends here. Did you like the chapter, children? For the homework, you will read this entire chapter and do the exercise on page number 29. Question A and question B only. Do not send me your work because next week I am going to ask your notebooks for correction. So keep your work ready. Use a good pen. I want neat handwriting. If you have any problem related to this chapter, you can call me or you can message me. Alright, children? Bye. See you.